Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Okay, it's 2 days since we've done a cold start on this Aprilia. We've still got a bit of the 50-50 fuel mix in. If those that don't remember, it's got 50% non-ethanol fuel and 50% E5 fuel in it. So we're just taking it through its paces after doing like a bit of a tune-up on the carb and that on non-ethanol fuel, which this was originally designed to run on. Yeah, so we're going to go for the cold start and see what happens. Right, okay. Gearbox oil's been topped up with this. I'm just going to run, well, I'm going to do the cold start on the bike with the 50-50 mix. So those that don't remember, it's got 50% ethanol fuel, E5, and 50% non-ethanol fuel. So I've got the fresh gearbox oil in now. I'm not going to bore you on, I didn't video it, you have to be dumb not to be able to measure out oil. Anyway, just have a quick. Ooh. Right, well that wasn't too bad. I had to crank it over a little bit. But the choke seems to be working a lot better as well than it has been. The temperature has come up a little bit. It's not fucking 2 degrees now, it's it's over 5 degrees now, so this bike starts up perfectly fine if it's around about the 10 degree mark. Is Aprilia, isn't it? Unless you live in the mountains in Italy. Don't think it ever gets below 10 degrees, does it? Right, yeah, so that's fired up all right with the last of the 50-50 mix of fuel. Yeah, so I'll be looking at topping this up now with E5. Give it a couple of days. I know the ambient temperature's warmed up a bit. Could really do with the temperature dropping to about 4 degrees or something like that, just to see if how it fires up. But at the moment, it seems to be doing okay. It's helped a lot putting it on that non-ethanol fuel and then retuning everything up to that fuel. And then going back onto E5, it doesn't seem to do too bad. But oh god, the smell of a two-stroke, it's intoxicating, honestly. Oh, doesn't do my lungs any good. But no, it smells great. So we've got it up to running temperature now. It's been at running temperature now for about 5 minutes. So we're going to turn it all off and leave it for a couple of days. So it won't be tomorrow, might be Thursday morning. If not Thursday morning, it'll be Friday morning. Well, when I say morning, about lunchtime. I want to get it on a good cold start. So probably, yeah, Friday morning, maybe about after 9 o'clock. Anyway, I'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and be careful out there.